Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to verify my Bitbuy account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your browser, and then on the search bar simply type in bitbuy.com and go to the home page of the Bitbuy, and you'll be seeing something like this. Now what you need to do is click on the sign up to get started, and once you click on it you'll be sent to this page. Now here what you need to do is enter in your details like your email address, username, password, and then phone number. And once you have filled up all this, and then click on continue on the bottom of the screen, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to you. Now all you gotta do is just enter it, and once you have entered it you'll be signed up to Bitbuy account. Now the second step is to verify your account. Now in order to verify your account, what you need to do is verify your email address by going to your email inbox and clicking the verification link we just sent you. Or step 2 is to verify your identity by entering some basic information about yourself. Now all you gotta do here is click on verify account, and once you click on verify account you'll be sent to this page. Now here what you need to do is enter in your birth date, your first name and your last name, your occupation industry and occupation name, and once you have done with that, click on next. And once you click on next you'll be sent to this page. Here what you need to do is enter in your address, and once you have entered it on the information, click on next. And once you click on next here you will be sent to this final details page. Now it will ask you, are you politically exposed person? Now the majority will be clicking on no, and once you click on no, here you will be asked on Trillo identification. All you gotta do is click on this I agree checkbox, and once you click on that you'll be sent to this page. The Bitbuy verifies your account, then your account will be verified. That if the Bitbuy doesn't verify your account, then you have to do it manually, and to do it you'll be sent to this page. And now what you need to do is upload a photo of your ID and selfie with your ID and no. Now all you gotta do is just click on select file, select the photo, and then upload it right here. The same is with this one as well, and remember to read this note before you begin the process. And once you're done with that, the next thing is to upload your documents like financial statement and utility bill. You can either upload a credit card statement, bank statement, loan or mortgage account statement, and here on utility bill you can either select internet bill, phone bill and water bill, hydro bill, etc. And once you're done with that, go to the bottom and then click on request verification. And once you're done with that, in 1 to 2 business days your account will be verified, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.